In the past, we used to produce product just to keep machines running without understanding an inventory position or a demand from a customer. So once we started going to the customer demand for a schedule and understood what the customer needed, then we started realizing the importance of inventory accuracy, so that we could schedule the correct product, the right amount of product, and then run to a demand from the customer. Last year, as the year ended, we had to do a physical inventory count to get our perpetual inventory to match the actual inventory. And as we looked at doing a physical one, we had to shut the plant down, have a bunch of people work overtime, and a lot of hours are spent in doing a physical inventory. As you look at the accuracy of the count, because you have multiple people counting that normally don't count and do inventory, your accuracy is rather low. So although we do a physical to get inventory accurate, we really cause as many problems as we fix. Also, when you look at the labor portion of doing physical inventories, it just takes an enormous amount of time to get that task completed. So in the future, as we've improved our inventory and it matches and the system runs correctly so that we know what our inventory balance is, we don't need to do physical inventory anymore, because the inventory is physically counted on a weekly basis instead of an annual basis. And two things: one, inventory becomes very predictable. You know what inventory you have, what you need. Also, as you plan financial statements and do your financial reporting, there's not surprises. In the past, Primera's had a $300,000 loss of inventory at year end when they had to go do a physical. And today we're very confident and comfortable that the inventory that we have is accurate and it will stay accurate, and we don't have to worry about having big swings in profitability at year end. DBM helped our team to really understand the importance of inventory accuracy, and it gave us a very foundational, functional method to improve inventory accuracy, improve inventory as a system. We recently had an opportunity with one of our customers that we currently ship parts to. They came into our facility back in January and talked about our performance and where we were. And as we talked, I explained where we were with inventory, what we're doing to fix our inventory system and to better understand inventory and inventory accuracy. And they came back in July to visit again with us, and they are giving us some new business, and part of that business was predicated on the success that we've shown over the last 6 months and being able to ship to them on time every time and showing the capability and the understanding of inventory and helping them be successful. So part of our inventory improvement and our ability to ship product to the customer has resulted in gains in sales, which is huge for our organization as we continue to try to grow and be competitive. I think we would have got there without DBM over time, but the time frame would have been 5 years instead of a year. Because I would have driven where we are, but it would have taken me forever and a day, one, to convince the team, two, to get the ability. And
do you think in the current environment of business that businesses have 5 years to do it?
No.
It's amazing, because I remember when I was here a year ago, the stress level, like John didn't have, he couldn't sit down for 2 minutes to talk about a problem.
Right.
Because he had 50,000 things going on that he didn't know which one to go after first.
Well, he would get how many calls from the customer. I mean, his phone constantly rang, and he never knew where he was on anything, so he was just kind of...
He was a bomb ready to explode.
Yep. Yeah, now you get to talk to him. He's friendly and smiling and laughing and has time to visit. And
completely different person. It's amazing.
Yeah. But again, a lot of that is understanding, doing the right things and knowing what he's doing and what the measurements are. And so it is pretty amazing.